Hello friends, I am Devinder Singh Chawla. Today once again I have come before you with one new video about Canada tourist visa or visitor visa or TRV or 10 years multiple entry visa as it is called. Today I'll tell you how to make your file by yourself without taking the help of any agent or consultant. I'll tell you all the steps how you can make it without the help of agent and consultant by yourself at your home also, so that you can apply it by yourself and get the visa easily, so you need not depend upon any other person. So let's start the video. And in this video I'll tell you about a book which I have written for your help, in which all the steps are given how to apply for the visa by yourself without the help of an agent or a consultant. So this is the book which I have written for you, in which all the details are given how to apply for Canada visa, that is tourist visa, visitor visa, or it is called the temporary resident visa also, or 10 years multiple entry visa. So let's start the video. In this I will tell you all the steps which you can which you have to follow to prepare your file, and what are the details which are given in this book. And then I'll tell you the price of this book also. So let me tell you the various details. So the first detail which I have mentioned in this video is in this book is that what are the documents you require. Like I have given the checklist of the documents, a complete checklist of all the documents you require for preparing a file. Preparing the file of Canada tourist visa or 10 years multiple entry visa, or visitor visa, or it is called temporary resident visa also. So and in that checklist I have given you a complete means comprehensive checklist. That is, you need not go to any agent or consultant to check it, that what more documents you require. You need not take the help of anyone else. So by collecting those documents you can complete your application form and apply for the Canada visa. And the next thing which I have mentioned in I have given the details is the application forms which you have to fill up. There are two main application forms which you have to fill up for applying for the Canada visa. I have given the details about both the forms, and as well as all other forms which you have to fill up, and from which website you have to download those forms. That detail is also given in it. And uh, and and with this I have given all the details in this book how to fill up that form also, means like in which fill in the blanks you have to write what, and in which column you have to write what. Everything is given in it. So you need not be worried about it, that how will I fill it, means what answer is to be filled, that is also mentioned in it. So it is total comprehensive guide, a step by step guide. So after that, you have to attach a covering letter with your application form. So the specimen of that covering letter is also given in it. Specimen means a sample of that covering letter is also given in it. You can modify it according to your needs, and you can attach the same covering letter with your application form. After modifying it according to you have to change your name and address and all these things and dates, and you can use the same covering letter with your application form. And then after that, uh, you will get a detailed specimen of the itinerary also. So like you have to submit an itinerary with your application form, and the sample of that itinerary is also given it. You can modify it according to your needs, according to your conditions, and you can submit the same itinerary with that application form. And after that, travel history document is also to be submitted. The specimen and or the sample of the same is also given in this book. And after that comes the CA certificate, CA net worth report, or CA asset statement, or CA certificate as it is known, or CA asset certificate. So that specimen or sample is also given in this book. You can means like get all the details what you have to mention in that CA certificate from this book. And you can easily means like take the information from this book and tell it to your CA that you have to make the CA certificate according to this specimen. And you can take this book along and show it to the CA, and then please make the net worth statement according to this sample. So, and after that, then one more thing you have to submit is affidavit. Affidavit is a promise you make to the in the affidavit you make a promise to the visa officer that I'll return back to my home country after visiting Canada from this date to this date. The specimen of that affidavit is also given in this book. And after that, you have to attach the hotel booking and documents, and how to get those hotel booking documents, from which website you have to book the hotel. That detail is also given in this book, and you have to just log in to that website. The name of the website is given in this book. You have to log in into that website and get the hotel booking done free of cost. And in addition to this, a list of all the forms and their samples and their specimen are given in this book, which you have to fill up and attach it with the application form, like VSF form also it is given. And the most important thing, please note down, uh, the other thing which is given in this is that how to submit your embassy fee. Like nowadays the embassy fees is 185 Canadian dollar for the Canada tourist visa. How to deposit that fees online, because nowadays the fees is taken only online. It is not previously it used to be accepted in cash, but nowadays it is accepted only in online, by online method. So how to deposit that fee online, it is also explained in this book in with all the steps, with complete steps it is explained in it. So you can deposit the fees online by using by following those steps, and submit your application form by yourself. And after that, how to fix the appointment with VFS, that is on the day which you will go there and submit your file. That is also given in this book, so that you are able to fix your appointment easily. And so these are all the details which are explained, and all other documents which are to be submitted, that and those details are also given. And one more thing is that the bank statement which you have to submit with this application form, their detail is also given in this book. And one more thing, that in which order the documents are to be arranged. When you complete the file, after that you have to arrange the documents in a specified order. So that order is also explained in it. So, and some, like there are other documents also, like NOC from your employer, and leave letter you have to submit. That specimen, the sample of the leave letter as well as the NOC you have to submit, is also given in this book. You can copy it and modify it a bit according to your need, and you can use the same for your purpose of submitting the application form. And one more thing which I want to tell you, the main point is that it in the book it is also mentioned which documents are to be submitted in original, and which documents are to be submitted as notarized. Notarized means you have to, there are some documents for which you have to submit the notarized copies. That those documents are also mentioned in this book. And some documents are to be submitted in original. That is also explained in this book, which documents are to be submitted in original, and what documents are to be notarized and submitted with it. Then after that, one more list of the documents is to be prepared, and that you have to attach with the file, with your file, and you have to place it on the top of your file. And that thing is also explained in it, so that how to prepare that list of the document and where to keep it in your file. And one more thing, you have to get a barcode for your application form. When you fill the application form after validation, you have to get a barcode from the website. That process is also explained in it, how to get the barcode and put it in your file. And these are all, and the order, main thing is that you have to submit that list of the document also. That helps the visa officer uh, in in understanding how the file is arranged, and it will help the visa officer in evaluating your file easily. So that this list of the document is to be attached. That thing is also very important. If any question is there, I think you must have got all your uh, answers to your questions. And once again, I show you that book. This is the book. This you can buy from me, and I'll tell you how, means its price just now. I'll tell it to you. And the price of this book is 250 rupees only. So you can send this money to me through my Paytm number or by money order, the details of which I'll give to you in my description box down below. So you can send me the money order on my address. I'll mention that address in the description also, and you can send me the money through Paytm also on my Paytm mobile number. I'll mention in the description. So I hope that you must have got answers to some of your questions. If you have any doubt, if you have any question in your mind, you want any clarification, you can call me on my mobile number which I have given down below in the description. So one thing I want to make it clear that even after buying the book, you feel any difficulty or you have any doubt or you have any question, you can call me. I'll give my mobile number in this book also. My mobile number is mentioned in this book also. You can call me on that number and get your doubts cleared, and I will certainly help you. And if you are not able to understand how to make any document, I'll tell you all the details. Even if after buying the book you are not able to understand it, no problem. You can contact me anytime and call on my mobile number, and I'll help you. I'll certainly help you. So that is all about my book. I hope you must have liked my book and you will buy it, and you will be able to. I means this book has been written by me to help you in applying for the Canada tourist visa without the help of anyone else. You need not go to any agent or consultant for applying for the visa. You need not even come to me. It has been written in such a way. So even after buying this book, you apply for the Canada visa through some agent or some consultant. Even then, this book will help you, because in this book all the details are given. So that agent or that consultant will not be able to cheat you, or means like mislead you in submitting some documents, or how to submit it, how to fill the application form. That thing will become clear to you before after reading this book, and you can easily means like go and apply through any consultant also, agent also, without any fear. So I hope that you must have liked my video. If you like my video, please press the like button. Please share it with your friends, family members, and your relatives. And if you have any question, you write down in the comments below. I'll certainly answer them. And if you like this book, you can order it by sending the money to me. The price is only 250 rupees. It's very nominal price. You can send the money to me by through Paytm or money order. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon also, so that you get the notifications from time to time. Because I post my videos time to time. So after this, I'll repeat my offer again. If you want to meet me and get your file made free of cost, you can contact me on my mobile number which is given in the description below, and you can fix an appointment with me. You can visit my office, and I'll certainly make your file free of cost. Okay.